Hi, it's the Hub Mama. In this video tutorial, I want to share some ways that will help you get more subscribers to your channels. So, number one, there are a couple key things that you can do on your IHUBApp homepage that will help steer people to those channels. The homepage is the first thing that users see when they land on your iHub, so it's very important to make a strong first impression on that homepage with engaging content, engaging graphics, and very clear calls to action. There's two ways that I customize the homepage that encourage people to subscribe to channels. Number one, using CSS, which is only available on the standard or higher licenses, by the way. You can add a button or buttons under the sliders that lead users to your channel listing page or a specific channel. So you can see here on this hub where I've added these buttons underneath the sliders, and in this case I just have the subscribe now button that when you click takes you to that channel listing page. For people who are not subscribed, there will be a join button over here. And you can see here how important it is to have those channel descriptions, because when people land here, this gives them a really quick, update on what that channel is about. So those descriptions you add on the channel itself in the settings area. The second way I like to customize my home pages to encourage subscribing is to go into the homepage customization area and add a prominent headline that calls people to customize their newsfeed by subscribing to channels. So you can see that here. Tailor your news, subscribe to channels for a personalized newsfeed, and weekly newsletter curated just for you. And this links to the same place this does. I'm a big believer in multiple doors going into the same room. So, different people see different things and react to different things. So you want multiple ways to get to your channel listing page. So again, this goes to that same page. So number two, second way that you can encourage channel subscriptions is to promote them through sliders. So this is that slider area here. Sliders are very dynamic, very visually appealing way to showcase your content. There are two ways that you can promote channel subscriptions effectively here. Number one, you can create just a general subscription slider, one that emphasizes the benefits of subscribing to channels, such as receiving personalized updates, staying informed about topics they're interested in, and you would link this to your channel listing page, just like I did with that button there. Second way is you can feature a specific channel on a slider. You could do this once or more than once, however many channels that you want to feature. And you'll highlight those channels and encourage people to join, because once there's a slider there, they can click on it. This one goes to the Panama News channel, and if I was not a member, it would prompt me to join this channel up here at the top, but I'm already a member of this one, so it does not do that. So number three is to create homepage posts that showcase channel content and or channel exclusivity. So one of the best ways to encourage subscriptions is by offering exclusive content to subscribers on a channel. So number one, you can preview content on a channel in a home broadcast post. You can give people a sneak peek of the type of content that they will expect to receive once they subscribe to that channel, and this will entice them to sign up to see more. And you can write this post, have it in an engaging graphic on top, and explain why they should subscribe to this channel. Number two, you can offer exclusive content in a particular channel, and you can promote that in a post on your home feed broadcast channel. So people love exclusive content, special offers, early access to information, notification of sales, anything that you feel is super relevant for that particular channel. Put that out in a public broadcast post that's broadcasted on the home channel so that everybody gets it, and build up the exclusivity and encourage subscriptions. And you want to, in these posts, you can consider adding 3 key things that will help them be more enticing. Number 1, eye-catching graphics, so that post really stands out on your newsfeed. Attractive graphics always catch people's eye more than just a plain image. So maybe you can go into Canva and create something with some text on it to really grab people's attention. Number 2, instead of an image or a graphic, use a video. Videos are always more attention grabbing than graphics. So you could film a short video as to what the benefits are to subscribing to that channel, giving them a sneak peek of content through this video, and that will grab a lot of attention. And third is testimonials. Testimonials build trust and credibility. And so featuring some positive testimonials from current subscribers, showcasing the value that they've gotten from that channel is super helpful. So getting people to subscribe to the channels on your IHUBApp is really a matter of being strategic when you're designing your IHUBApp. Again, you want to use those sliders. You want to use that CSS and add those buttons. You want to add that headline here. Of course, you always have the menu, which by default, this is always here. Your channels are always at the bottom. Again, multiple doors. So I always like to put a subscribe option here that goes to that channel listing page. You can also highlight, add menu items to highlight individual channels here as well. Very easy with the customizable menu. So multiple doors, all over calling people to action to get to those channels and subscribe. So let's just do a quick review. You want those calls to action. You want to showcase your exclusive content, and you want to use engaging visuals and videos. By doing this, you can significantly increase your channel's subscriptions. Don't forget those testimonials. Those really build trust and credibility, and they make your IHUBApp very enticing platform for users to subscribe and engage with your valuable content. So best of luck, happy channel building. You can contact me. My contact information is in the description of this video below, and you're welcome to reach out to me at any time with questions, and definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials. And I definitely recommend going to register on my hub, hubmama.ihub.app, and make sure that you're subscribed to my tutorials channel and the news channel, which I always give little tips and updates on the IHUBApp platform. Thanks for being here today, and happy channel building.